Room. YouTube. You already know what time it is now. The Dan back in the lab. Yes, man. Get up. Wake up. You see what we are doing today, man. We're back in the lab with none other than the world boss himself, man. The teacher. Yes, man. Dog. Back in the media again. Back in the eyes of the public with another one. You don't know. He's here with the video for SYM. You see me on the WYFL Riddim, and we're going to check it out and see what the world boss I deal with. You see me? I say we reacted to the audio, and the audio is fire. So now we're going to check out the video, guys. I know it's going to be a banger, man. You know the audio fire, so we just want to see the video for the video, match the audio, and then everything just sell off. You see me? I say, gang. But before we even jump into the reaction, the video, make sure you like and subscribe button. Become part of the latest reaction channel family on YouTube. Do yourself a favor. If not, it's up to you. You see me? I say, gang. Yeah, man. What they do a thing? We almost at 10K now, guys. We like 40 something away from 10K. Shout out to y'all, man. This year we're going up. We're going crazy. Not non-stop. You see me? We're on the grind. You see me? Yes, man. But we're not all up the vibe much longer. I jump right in the track. Vybz Kartel, the world boss, DJ Mac, Crashdummy, SYM. Let's get it.
Make it record. Nothing can go on without the lad in our yard. I will be the beat that one you hard. For real, you see me?
Me on the beat, so it's a banger.
Get the money, then the power, then the pussy don't be coward.
Yeah.
We the fit flower, keep it pill and keep it powder.
Yeah.
Make your mother prouder when the mansion is around her. No depends on your father, I'm like Tariq in a power.
Every time you try to sing it, I forgot to sing up. You get the money and the power, don't be a coward. Oh, dear.
Make it record. Nothing can go on without the lad in our yard. I will be the beat that one you hard.
Got me on the beat, so it's a banger.
Yes, man.
Get the money, then the power, then the pussy don't be coward.
Yeah.
We the fit devour, keep it pill and keep it powder. Make your mother prouder when the mansion is around her. No depends on your father, I'm like Tariq in a
What?
power. From a band, me at the man, get the go like a leprechaun, a capricorn. Mount of Versace brand, me a van, me a talk in a Italian, it's a Milan. Y'all run the pussy fast, Shelly-Ann. If me breed, your man have to go on, that's a band. Weed like me, have a farm, than Perian.
Mama, if you belly fat up, mama, for 9 months, you don't know what to go on, you know, mama. That have to forward, your man have to go move up. I up to you, better be bad.
If me breed, your man have to go on, that's a band. Weed like me, have a farm, than Perian. She like than Julio, mixed with the crown.
Man say you have a farm. Hey, we might see Vybz Kartel come with a blood cleat. My come with me now if no one me no dog. We have to watch him now. Watch him.
Your man have to go on, that's a band. Weed like me, have a farm, than Perian. She like than Julio, mixed with the crown. Don't see me, suck your mother, mind your business, make money. Don't see me, suck your mother, mind your business, make money. Nothing so funny when the youths them hungry, mind your business, make.
Don't see me. You hear me? I tell you, the whole of 2026. Don't see me unless you watch my video and I like it. Don't see me. You see me? I say, we want to go suck your mother and what? Stop the cash. You see me? I say, gang, go clear the air. 2026 don't allow me. You see me? I say, I'm in my own zone. I see no now.
Suck your mother, mind your business, make money. Don't see me, suck your mother, mind your business, make money. Nothing so funny when the youths them hungry, mind your business, make money. Nothing so funny when the youths them hungry, mind your business, make money. Money tree me I go plant and the seed name dollars me need, woman me want.
Money tree me I go plant. You see me? And the seed near money that me need, woman how me want. Oh, I'm here.
So funny when the youths them hungry, mind your business, make money. Money tree me I go plant and the seed name dollars me need, woman me want. Mount of what me put out like a warrant, bank book heavy than an elephant, sometimes I can't.
It's a bank book elephant, sometimes I can't lift it up a blood clean.
Mount of what me put out like a warrant, bank book heavy than an elephant, sometimes I can't. Me ready for the race. I'm like a watcher from in the school, remember balloon, me take the chance. I mean, not sneak, log out your phone, me take the charge.
A lot of controversy on the line, the man's fan for the school youth, you know. Pan balloon, he take chance. Remember, I pick the different for try to get the big balloon for our school days. Aye, go on.
Like a watcher from in the school, remember balloon, me take the charge. I mean, not sneak, log out your phone, me take the charge. Go tell the soup, go tell the side. Don't see me, suck your mother, mind your business, make money. Don't see me, suck your mother, mind your business, make money. Nothing no funny when the youths them hungry, mind your business, make money. Nothing no funny when the youths them hungry, mind your business, make money. From a band, me at the man, get the goal like a leprechaun, a capricorn.
To your man get the goal like a leprechaun, like a... Hey, you see me, I say, my wife get the goal, you know, man. You see me, my precious, go on,
Sashi Brano, me a van, me a talk in a Italian land. Girl, when the pussy fast, Shelly if a breeder, your man have to go on, that have to ban. Weed like...
If you bomb buckler come a road, man, what you feel like? That have you forward. Life of... Hey, go on.
Me have a farm, than Perian. She like than Julio, mixed with the crown.
Hey, Cartel come nice up dancehall again and bring back the vibe. We loving it. We're loving it. We're a boss. Back at it. Vybz Kartel, SYM, DJ Mac, Crashdummy. Hey, y'all did your thing, man. Y'all did your thing. Vybz Kartel bring back the energy, the spice, the flavor, everything back to dance all. You see me as again? We love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. A lot of people want to hate on the world boss, dog, but he wanna do him thing, dog. You see me as say? A lot of people want to hate and I say, yo, wait, te. But come on, the man do so much good for the culture, brother. You see me and I say, yeah, it's like crazy, bro. Everybody wants to see the man crash out. But go on. Or no go on mess around Cartel and I go wake up. Yo, they say let sleeping lions sleep. Eh? Or let sleeping dragons sleep. Make the man go and sleep. The man has try be good. The man has try easy himself. The man has try. You see me and say, why if you do good part? You see me, but he's trying to be a good person. You know what I'm saying? He's trying to turn over a new life. You see me, and people are throw shades, I throw jobs. You see me, I'll keep poking at the, you know what I'm saying? Keep poking at the line. You see me, I say, so when you wake up in a man and ray, nobody can say nothing. Because the man come out and say, yo, we're not doing a bad man tune. You see me, we're not doing a wild tune of them thing there. You see me, we are more on the positive. I make girl tune, money making tune, hustling tune. You see me, God tune. You see me, and everybody are try him out. So when the man get drawn out like a shoes lace, no, he start tap on things like a shoes, like a Tim's. You don't get vexed, because I will not dry it out and want to see the side there. You see me, I say? But shout out to the world boss, man. Come and come back with the energy, bro. You see me, and the vibes. You see me, man, just drop Hype Life, SYM, God Says, which is a banger, and he also drop Hype Life, SYM, God Says. There's another track I'm forgetting. He dropped like four tracks. Hype Life, SYM, God Says. There's another one other than 2026 that he dropped. Hype Life, SYM, God Says. And there's another one he just dropped, bro. I'm missing a tune. I'm missing a track, man. Born Ready. You see me? I say so. Yeah, man, Born Ready. So shout out to the world boss. I clearly use Born Ready for this thing. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna drop this banger for you guys right now. Make sure you check it out. Show the artist on Love and Support. Make you know so that Dan sending it. Let me know what you think about the video, guys. You already know what time it is. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.